So the quick solution to this is downloading Virtual Exposed. It will be down in the link in the description. I will have Drastic and Virtual Exposed. I will have some of my ROMs. Let's see here now. Okay, you press this dot button. You're pressing add app. You have to wait a bit. You scroll down, you find Drastic, you hit install, you tap install. Again, you're waiting. Okay, successfully installed. Now you press done. Now you scroll this upwards and you open Drastic. No, as you can see, the application has no errors or whatever. So you're gonna hit tap the load new game or continue if you have a recent save. I'm going to click on Silver start game. Continue to that. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yes. No info. Okay. Okay. You have almost every single feature of this app. Options. Yeah, you can do a lot of things here. You can also change the graphics of the game. There's a save game and a load game button. Very useful to catching Pokemon, in my opinion. Okay, we have no bug or something because we have yeah, we have nothing in this when you start the game. Okay, anyways, that's the tutorial, guys. Hope you find this video useful. Like the video if this worked for you. If it did not, you can dislike. So yeah, that's it. Peace.